All right, we are now in the presidential suite of the Carnival Mardi Gras ship. Got a little bar here with a little kitchen area, sink. You got a refrigerator, little circular table here, dining room table. And there is a bathroom over here. Oh, that circles around. Got your toilet here, sink here. And the toilet circles around. Got another sink here with some wooden shelves. Got another sink opposite that one. Very similar. Got wooden shelves. Corner shower. And is the bed. We got a TV over here. Nice little corner closet area. Got a little cabinet closet there. Got some shelving over there with some drawers.
Ooh, I like the double bathroom.
Got a little seat over here. Another desk area over here. USB chargers. Giant patio, fantastic views. There's a jacuzzi tub over here. Don't trip. Looks like a jacuzzi tub. Looks like you got your own shower. Lots of seating, fantastic views. Glass all the way around. I mean, look at these views. This is fantastic. Front of the ship, presidential suite. Heading out to sea. Got a little dining table, outdoor dining table here. I don't know what this is. Is this like a fire pit or I don't know what that is. Looks like maybe like a fire pit or something like that. You got more seating over here. It's a really large outdoor patio area. All sorts of room out here. And we'll head back in. Thank you. And that's it. Back in here. That's a look at the presidential suite on the Mardi Gras.